In a small village in Pakistan, there lived a poor farmer named Bashir. His dream was to improve his fields and uplift his family's condition. However, financial difficulties and low crop yields made his life challenging. Bashir would wake up early every day and work tirelessly in his fields. He took care of his crops, irrigated them, and maintained the land. Despite his hard work, the lack of rain and crop failures meant that his efforts often went unrewarded. One day, Bashir decided to try something new. He learned about modern farming techniques and began experimenting on a small scale. By adopting these new methods and putting in extra effort, he gradually improved his crop yields. Bashir's hard work paid off, and his life began to improve. His fields became more productive, and he set an example in the village that determination and hard work could overcome difficulties. His family enjoyed a better life, and other farmers in the village started learning from his success. Bashir's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and effort in overcoming challenges.